Instead of following the approach in example 2, another alternative to sending a query string through an anchor tag helper is to send a query string by using an overload of redirect to page. So we have to run the same exercise too, but in this case the query string parameter has to be sent with the help of redirect to page. Let me show you what we have already done so that we can have a connection. In the previous solution, this is solution for exercise 2. We used this ASP page handler aClicked and we sent a parameter called param. When this aClick was executed here, this param was sent to the URL. Through the URL, this param parameter was sent. This is the name of the query string parameter. And after this parameter appeared in the query string, we returned page. This means that this code was processed and the result of this processing it was displayed. What happened in this processing? This param was checked because the query string contains this param and therefore this appeared and this went away. Now in this solution he says that we have to use a parameter of overload of redirect to page method. So basically we have to modify this one, and instead of return page we will use return redirect to page this way. And here we will use an overload of this, and we will